How to create league on FPL. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can create a league on your Fantasy Premier League. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Premier League app, then log into your account. You can also use the website if you're using a PC or just use a browser for it. After you do that, you will need to head over to the fantasy section. After you're on the fantasy section, scroll down till you find leagues and cups section. Now right there, what you'll need to do is tap on configure leagues right here. After you tap on configure leagues, you'll find an option that says create and join new leagues and cups. So tap on that. And there you get two options. One is to join a league and a cup or to create a league and a cup. So tap on create league and a cup. And from here, you can choose whichever you want. So if you wanted the classic scoring one, tap on the first one. If you want the second one, you can tap on the create head-to-head league. So let's create a classic one. Type in a name here. So I'll just type it this. Then scoring week here. You can choose scoring starts from which week. And final the cup. Tap on create and wait for a few moments and then you're done. And that's how you can create a league on your FPL. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.